There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2022 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat in Octane Red. With dual scoop hood, competition suspension, 20-inch low-gloss wheels, Brembo 6-piston front brakes, competition suspension, steering wheel mounted paddle shifters, 698 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, Dodge SRT performance pages, dual zone temperature control, power sunroof, 6.2-liter supercharged V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com. Stock number 300718.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.